Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. There is an important update regarding the registration for the state counseling. As you know, many states have already completed their state registration. One more state has started its registration process, and that's before all India round one, and is Rajasthan state. Rajasthan is first of all an open state, and it has got private colleges where you are eligible to participate. You come from any other state, okay, you are only eligible to participate for private colleges in Rajasthan. The registration is starting from 19th of September, okay, and there will be two parts. You need to do registration on part 1 and part 2, and you will be asked to do the payment for registration fee, and then for part 2 you need to pay the security deposit of 2 lakhs. So the 2 lakh security deposit that you pay is not will not feel forfeited if you get the seat in round 1 and you don't join it. So first round is free exit, but from round 2 it will be forfeited. 25th is the last date for the registration, okay, and the provisional seat matrix will be published on 21st of September. For the disabled candidates, the verification of disability certificates will be happening on 26th, okay, and the publication of provisional seat matrix after demonstrator allotments is on 27th, okay, and provisional merit list will be published on 27th. So matrix seat matrix on 21st and merit list on 27th. And the registration amount as per the forfeiture clause, okay, you can deposit and online choice filling will be happening between 28 to 30, okay. So as it was mentioned that 25th onwards and up to 4th the registration will be starting and the counseling process will be happening for the states, and declaration of result by 4th of October. So between this time duration only, all other states which have not started or their registration or have not published the notification for the registration, they will publish and they will give the similar date between 25th to 4th. By 4th they need to publish their result so that you can decide whether to join this state, or like you need to leave the seat allotted from all India quota, okay. Generation of online allotment letter. So the first round is online here, and then offline round will be conducted at the center in Jaipur. So generation of online allotment letter, joining document verification will be happening at the allotted college along with the printout of allotment letter, all the original documents you need to carry, and deposition of 1 year tuition fee, required bond and all need to be signed between 5th of October to 8th of October, okay. Further process will be communicated later. So Rajasthan state is very important state because in low score or just qualifying a score you have a chance to get a seat here, but the tuition fee is on a higher side. If you have no issue with the budget, then it's important state for you, you should do the registration. But if your rank is good and you are looking for low budget private college, then Rajasthan is not the state to go for. It has management quota and all India quota, government quota. The all India quota is applicable. In all India quota, the candidates coming from other states also can take the seat uh, in lesser tuition fee. In management quota the fee is very high. You can expect the fee in top clinical branches up to 70-80 lakhs per year, okay, in Rajasthan state. The colleges are located in two locations, Jaipur and Udaipur. In Jaipur there are three colleges, Mahatma Gandhi, NIMS and JNU, and in Udaipur Ananta Medical College, Gitanjali, American, and then two Pacific branches. So totally 8 colleges are there for the PG courses. Last year the seat were cancelled in 4 colleges in Udaipur, but this year they have got the seat, and you can check out on NMC website also. In case you want to avail our paid counseling guidance, then you can call us on the number onto the number 9319128677, and you can you can reach out to us for any kind of suggestion related to admission. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.